Hello everyone. In this video we'll discuss irregular French verbs. As we all know that irregular verbs are the ones which take different conjugations for different verbs. It is a bit tricky in comparison to regular verbs because regular verb takes the same form for conjugation. We just have to learn a specific pattern and that will be applied for all the verbs. But in irregular verbs, we have to memorize each one of them as they have different pattern for conjugation. Let's begin. LA. LA is the only ER irregular verb which takes the different form of conjugation in comparison to other ER ending verbs. Je vais, I go. Tu vas, you go. Il va, he goes. Elle va, she goes. Nous allons, we go. Vous allez, you go. Ils vont, they go. Elles vont, they go. Now the other one is venir. Venir means to come. Now this is also a IR ending verb, but this comes under irregular verb because it takes the different conjugation. Je viens, I come. Tu viens, you come. Il vient, he comes. Elle vient, she comes. Nous venons, we come. Vous venez, you come. Ils viennent, they come. Elles viennent, they come. Another one, sortir. Sortir means to go out or to leave. Je sors, I go out. Tu sors, you go out. Il sort, he goes out. Elle sort, she goes out. Nous sortons, we go out. Vous sortez, you go out. Ils sortent, they go out. Elles sortent, they go out. Now the other one. Partir, which means to leave or to move. Je pars, I leave. Tu pars, you leave. Il part, he leaves. Elle part, she leaves. Nous partons, we leave. Vous partez, you leave. Ils partent, they leave. Elles partent, they leave. Another one. Apprendre, which means to learn. J'apprends, I learn. Tu apprends, you learn. Il apprend, he learns. Elle apprend, she learns. Nous apprenons, we learn. Vous apprenez, you learn. Ils apprennent, they learn. Elles apprennent, they learn. Another one. Pouvoir, can or may. Je peux, I can. Tu peux, you can. Il peut, he can. Elle peut, she can. Nous pouvons, we can. Vous pouvez, you can. Ils peuvent, they can. Elles peuvent, they can. Now the other one. Vouloir. Vouloir means to want. Je veux, I want. Tu veux, you want. Il veut, he wants. Elle veut, she wants. Nous voulons, we want. Vous voulez, you want. Ils veulent, they want. Elles veulent, they want. Savoir. Savoir means to know. Je sais, I know. Tu sais, you know. Il sait, he knows. Elle sait, she knows, nous savons, we know, vous savez, you know, ils savent, they know, elles savent, they know. So these are some important and most commonly used irregular verbs. There are many others also, but you can see that their conjugation are entirely different. There is no particular pattern as we have in er ending and ir ending regular verbs. So we need to memorize each one of them. Thank you so much.